Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am starting a new series today. It is called Treasure Tuesday, and I just thought it would be fun to share some keepsakes that are, paper related or junk journal related memorabilia items that I have that I plan on keeping and not doing anything with because they just are treasures to me. And I invite you guys to leave a comment down below if you have any items like that that you treasure that you aren't going to ever part with. And also over in our Facebook group, Junk Journal Friends, I would love to see pictures of your treasures. So let's get started with my first episode, and I will reveal two treasures of mine. And these are two books, and I'm going to start with this book first. This one is called Uncle Wiggily and His Friends. And this book just means so much to me. My grandmother always, my mom's mom, always gave us books for birthdays, Christmas, things like that. And this is one of the books that she gave me. She wrote, my name and then from Meemaw. We called her Meemaw or Mimi. And she put the date, Christmas 1971. And I love having her handwriting in here and having the year that she gave it to me. And then look, I wrote in my name and address, which I love seeing my handwriting from when I was a wee little person. But I don't know if any of y'all are familiar with this book series. But I think it was one of my favorites when I was a little kid. And the colors in here are just so pretty. And I forgot to convert this, but I'm sure it's probably early 1970s is the copyright on this. But just love this, Uncle Wiggily and His Friends. And so there's all these silly stories that are in this book, multiple different stories, and just love the colors in here. And I can't bring myself to tear it apart because this is something that my grandmother gave me. But I just think they're beautiful. So there's multiple different stories in here. And just love it. And the font, it's such a great font. But look at all these reds and greens and blues. So pretty. But I love this book. And I can't wait. I think my oldest granddaughter, she's probably now old enough, just about, to, look, they got the chicken pox or the measles. So funny. Or it looked like they got the measles, but they were I think getting into the different berries. I think I'd have to read the story again, but such a funny. And then there's little poems in here, but such great images. So I'm super excited that I have this from my childhood. I don't have all of my books, but definitely have a few of them, and I absolutely love them. So that's the first book, Uncle Wiggily and His Friends, and I love this green, like mossy green cover as well. And then the second book, this one is called The Complete Adventures of the Borrowers by Mary Norton. And this book, oh my gosh, I remember reading these stories as a kid, and I truly believed that, in my imagination, that we had little people living in our house also, like the borrowers. And I just love reading their adventures and how they would take things from, the humans or the big people that lived in the house to make their cozy little home. And just such a fun story. And this copyright is 1967 is this copyright. It did come with a book cover, but that's been destroyed. I think this one might have come with a book cover as well. I think most books did. But the font in here is really nice. And there are some fun little images throughout like that. So she's living like in a little cigar box, which is hilarious. And let me find a couple more. And then here's like a picture of their living room and all the fun little found items. And to me, it kind of makes me think of us junk journalers, how we love to collect little things. And I love how they just have their house decorated with them. Like there's a postage stamp, and here's a little pocket watch, and some scissors, and a thread spool, a bobbin. Just so many cool things. And there's not a ton of pictures, but there's quite a few. And there they're eating dinner. So just such fun stories. And I have such fond memories of reading this story and my imagination just going wild with all these stories and adventures that happen with the characters in this book. So it's so fun. But yeah, so these are my treasures for my first Treasure Tuesday that I thought I would share with you all. So I'm hoping I'll have these books for a long time, and maybe hopefully I can pass these down to my grandchildren, and hopefully they'll stay in the family once I am long gone. But again, let me know if you have some treasures that you plan on keeping forever, and share those photos over in Junk Journal Friends on Facebook. And let me know what you think of this series, if you like it or not. And yeah, hit the like button. And again, thank you to all the new subscribers, and I appreciate your all support. I want to continue to grow my YouTube channel and make it bigger and bigger. And yeah, so thanks so much. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.